Our book for today is called Exploring Flowers, and it is written by Kristen Sterling. And what I want you to think about as I read this book and as you look at this book is, why do plants have flowers? You will discover how flowers can develop into fruits, vegetables, or seeds for producing more plants. I see flowers. Flowers are parts of plants. And if you see, here's the seed, the seedling, the roots, the soil, the leaves, the stem, and now the flower bud. Each plant part has a job, which you should have learned that by now this week. Fruits, vegetables, and blossoms grow from flowers on plants. Pollen looks like yellow dust. Pollen makes some seeds grow into plants. And pollen makes me sneeze a lot. Pollen is moved by birds and bugs. Each seed that gets pollen can become a new plant. Small buds grow on the stems of some plants. Blossoms bloom when buds open. Flowers on some plants are the first sign of a fruit or a vegetable. These apples grew from flowers. Lilacs are pretty flowers that smell good. People put flowers in their homes. Flowers are in your home, in the park, and all around you. Do you see flowers? All kinds of flowers. We have red tulips, blue asters, small bleeding hearts. Look at those are pretty. Large banana plant, a star-shaped pumpkin plant, and a cone-shaped prairie clover. Here are some facts about flowers. Roses are the national flower of the United States. Many people buy roses for people they love on Mother's Day and Valentine's Day. Flowers smell good. They're used to make perfumes. Cherry blossoms are pretty and sweet smelling. Cherries grow from the blossoms. Did you know olives grew on trees? Trees flower and then olives grow. The biggest flower is called the Australian mountain ash. And the smallest flower is the watermeal plant. So you could go with mom or dad, with your at-home teacher. Maybe they can help you look up some of these facts and you can learn more about one of those. Maybe the biggest flower or the smallest flower, and you could see a picture of it. Okay, so after you finish this, I want you to draw a picture of something that you know about blossoms and flowers on a plant.